Biak mal ka Nuer online TV channel ka jan gwas me bana roch ka lar mi sha nongre wich ka so Sudan jan bana link yalo kan konore roch me mi jira me jidit ka Nuer online TV channel gore jan o jandir subscribe ka dere jan nyagba ka nasin ko ken an lar ban gwas me lar mi shalat ka kwiri ka me chitok ka kum SPLA mayo kana kum kirma yadit jandana gorno de kono nyakel are ler kana me SPLA IO Futuyo governor ke former governor dung Yambio shala dunena shakan jen ngoda teka wajen ta shub gwas de nika ka korka me shajon no de janak de ne kirma yadit ka Yambio kirma yadit ya wana no dar wuda me shal Futuyo da janak dino shakan abano rajadana shalat gwasa me ramadana la spokesperson ka SPLA IO bantin kontin chodian lat bana ka linkel ko wude me jenne de ne won teke de mit pinde gwasa dane kanu ko nyala governor ke commissioner ka Yambio ka jen bakwan ga je ka ta malame shalat shal ke revitalize it peace agreement e cha tan karon kin dangri wal badek me sha gurno de na de ka par nere konti tika SPLA mayo de ka muka gwatke de kana kwar rewe ka South Sudan jena agreement da ne cha tan duno tama shi ngwan ce kai tara ka do badana shi kirma yadit cela te kata mi ladan wa ga je chan je link le lere me South Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition SPLA IO la ramdan la lere kalat shela ro nena la General Alfred Futuyo mentere wiki Western Equatoria ke governor dung Yambio jane jan chakan chaluch neka military base kut bon ka de medane tetenwal jane Futuyo ja teka ja kelge de nika eneme beka korka me sha doren Futuyo me sha jamak ka war gwade sha ja within president Salva Kiir yadit ka komadana teten ke Republican decree jen chaji wika kan gwada kan moy karan chaji wika kirma yadit ka kan gwada kan moy karan woy ka je ka shanka walkel ka pairo shi SPLA IO leader Dr. Riek Machar re wika juba chamesha lat enetin kontin lane kirma yadit te shi ono no de kan wuda me de kan nak ashaka kwet dwer alamisar Futuyo chaje de nak enete kan ngaje no kan ngane showo gwaze da ne chaje woje tere duara chune to shuga ban ka jalkan gamach an gwada mo shwa Futuyo chwa ai chu joirar ka Yambio ka showo wo dodien mukuja ke gwada da ne chengwa tin kan ne ko na jikwara charo mo chaje kwen SPLA mayo karoy mi chalare wiki juba ba ka shankan wan ala SPLA IO spokesperson ramdan and chalke kulne Lampol Gabriel chalare ne Futuyo lode jok ka base ndana tetin jeni right kan ramdan la party leader la Dr. Riek Machar the first vice president of South Sudan jeni chi right kan ga contact ka ta dana tege man kune la lari jene jen former governor jene telerik teeka roje ke chairman ke roje kan Dr. Riek Machar dungno jen chelangud ala governor chelangud la governor antama ka jen gwasme ko biya je kulanga jen gwa o ngumle roda ke gwade da ngoda kana jako en governor jen ran mala sector commander ka Western Equatoria State ka SPLA ayo keliu force mitre wika Western Equatoria alane diala to din diala to tika under his command ka jaram dana ku control and wude me misha Georgia Futuyo mesha kwanya la governor ka commissioner rewi ka yambio ka chwaja joj lo chade gono ba na ka wermo chukul lain roda makune lare jene jan kwar me la spokesperson chelaro jen chalo jok chawo ka bes gwata ndi niketin duno ngene no dong ti dial buka go ke dong betiga tar din broda lat ko ne tingwan mishi wude me chalo joka jana shaide na ngum der lat dong der gor no be nyen ke kum tre ke juba duno chala da kani content te pin SPLA ayo kani ajeno me misha roje chalat bolo re wike juba ka do bodan en chalat ke jam ci fonde ramadan en shal ke kulne lam raj mi chalat chalado ne Futuyo jiende re wike yambio che jien lo nogoja kap ko ne je ka bom ke kwa force ne je alo jen chaje de nakke chaje de luch choro kulrin chokula kairar che nong ne je jena kap ko ne je ka bom ka kuje mo wude tong mi che je laramo ala ajenen Futuyo jen amichari ala ka plan michari ala ka kuma so dan no bajena naga wecha wike je chuden chu malin dora ko baje onagan gwasmi jona a plan misha lat ko baja attack ko gorga jeno batik de baje bat jelle ne ku teslo ko chango teka chiram dana la ler la ka lat ka spele mayo charaje mo che lat ajene ne en Futuyo kana ne din kontin kwatik de kwaje gorum baje bat ka chenge dane jojarar ka je kana shurken kana kalat ka kana lara ngakana duno je jongnano kwa investigation kwa je carried out ki gor tarkamandan enjoy karar ka je menete konte she de onak dawra ka tok tiang dan me chaje la do cha kapin Futuyo jen governor to na garon kin dangro widi jen dangro alo jen chete ka runti shop ka die den cha kul boitinan ka jen ladelet ka jen revitalize transitional government dung national unity wo be chonkel ke be chongre kwarana mo ala SPLA ayo ka kwi power sharing arrangement da ni chala no pernat ka kwi kuma ka ajenta ya da ni shawo ka je me kwa la re kwar ka je lo jente run ngwan di jen chai kul wujana his removal on Monday was part of wider reshuffle within the government ala woje wo ke je amicha realeka kuma na me washi mugwa changne me sha kwar ko ken cha wuch Sheikh Dr. James Wanaga mala Vice President Hussein Abdul Bagi Chawuch cha National Minister of Health Yolanda Chawuch the token the algati chala da kum South Sudan che kula na me chi chuong jana go de nyo ya kel na men go en Futuyo waja teekä te go dan tetin baje kwen ya katuk English South Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition SPLA-IO spokesperson has confirmed that former Western Equatoria Governor General Alfred Futuyo is safe and has returned to a military base of the group. This comes just day after an alleged attack against Futuyo at his residence on the night that President Salva Kiir relieved him of his position through a Republican decree without replacement. On February 11, the SPLM-IO leadership in Juba condemned what they say was an assassination attempt on Mr. Futuyo after an identified army man reportedly assaulted him at his official residence. The attack forced Futuyo to flee Yambio town to an unknown location, the group said. In a press conference in Juba on Saturday, SPLA-IO spokesperson Colonel Lampol Gabriel said Futuyo returned to their base and has been in contact with the party leaders and first Vice President Dr. Machar. On the issue of the former governor, he is safe. He is in communication with the chairman, but he is not the governor now, he said. We also know that for you to understand, before he became the governor, he was a sector commander of Western Equatoria State. all the SPLA-IO force in Western Equatorial State were under his command and control, Futuyo. So currently, he has gone back to our base, and we really hope that this could calm down the situation so that he can come to Juba. General Colonel Lam further disclosed that Futuyo's departure from Yambi was not a voluntary, but rather a forced escape following the attack on his residence. But the circumstances that made him to go, the bus was very bad, because immediately after the decree was read on SSBC, his residence was attacked in less than 5 minutes. You know. So technically, it was a planned attack that was supposed to eliminate his life, but we thank God that he is alive. The spokesperson did not specify who was behind the attack, but called for an investigation into the incidents. Futuyo had served as a governor since 2020 under the revitalized transitional government of national unity, representing SPLA-IO in the power-sharing arrangement. His removal on Monday was part of a wider reshuffle within the government, which also saw the dismissal of Vice President Dr. James Waniga and Hussein Abdelbagi, as well as National Minister of Health Yolanda Awel. The security situation in Western Equatorial remained tense, following the political upheaval that has exacerbated underlying factional and intercommunal violence in many parts of the state. Meanwhile, the SPLA-IO said it is committed to ensuring Futuyo's safety, urged calm among its supporters, and called for dialogue to resolve any underlying political tensions.